Hi, dear teachers, my dear students, and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the past continuous tense. It is used for an action continuing at a particular time in the past. What is the structure of past continuous tense? Subject plus was or verb plus V1 plus ing plus object plus phrase. Here V1 plus ing is nothing but V4. The fourth form of the verb. It is also called present participle. Present participle is to be used after the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs was or verb in the past continuous tense. Generally, we use past continuous tense and simple past together while communicating in English. While joining past continuous tense with simple past tense, we use the connectives such as when, as, and while. While joining one simple past statement with past continuous statement, we use these three conjunctions. Especially, we use the conjunctions or connectives such as and while before the statements which are in the past continuous form. And when, the conjunction when is to be used before the statement which is in the simple past. Let us see some examples which are related to the past continuous tense by using the connectives while, as, and when. Let us take the first case. In this case, let us join two statements which are in the different forms such as past simple past form and past continuous form. When I saw her, she was weeping. Here, the conjunction when has been used before the statement which is in the simple past form. When I saw her, she was weeping. In the same way, we use the conjunctions such as and while before continuous actions. That means past continuous action. If you take while I was going to market, I met my friend, or I met my friend while I was going to market. I phoned my friend while she was going to temple. Here, in these statements which are in the past continuous form, we have used the conjunction while before continuous form. In such a way, while and as, these two connectives are to be used before the continuous actions. When should be used before the action which is in the simple past form. Let us see some examples. When I saw her, she was watching TV. Here, the two statements have been joined with the conjunction when. He was playing while I was eating. She was singing while I was dancing. As he was preparing for the examination well, he could get first rank. As she was learning music, she could sing a song very beautifully. In such a way, we can use when, as, and while to join two continuous actions. Two continuous actions are to be joined with the conjunctions such as, while, and when. but one simple past statement should be joined with past continuous tense with the conjunction when, but when should be with simple past form. When should be used before the simple past statement while joining simple past with past continuous tense. Let us see some more examples using as. Generally, as is equal to because. We use the conjunction as before the statement which expresses the reason. As I was learning computer, I could pass the test. As she was speaking English, she could get a good job. As he was dancing, I was singing. As he was watching TV, I was watching cinema. As he was playing cricket, I was playing tennis. In order to join two continuous statements which are in the past form, we can use as, when or while. These as, when and while, these three conjunctions can be used. Okay. Finally, I would like to explain briefly about using as, while and when while talking about past continuous tense. While using when, you should use the conjunction when before the statement which is in the simple past along with past continuous tense. And the conjunctions as and while should be used before the actions which are in the continuous form. And one more point, as, while and when can be used in order to join two statements which are in the continuous form. And you can find or identify the tense of the given statement by taking the clues. By this time yesterday, by this time the day before yesterday, by this time 2 days ago, by this time last week, by this time last month, by this time last year, etc. So, by following the structure subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object plus phrase, we can communicate by using past continuous tense very effectively. In this structure, was is used with the subjects I, he, she and it. And the one more helping verb were. Were is used with the subjects we, you and they. In such a way, we should practice the past continuous tense in order to have the command over this tense very effectively. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.